All right, here's a question where you need to simplify. The instructions at the top would be simplify. So I take a look, I have a cube root of something, cube root of something. There's a product there. I do know the rule that if I have like root of x times root of y, if both of those have the same index, I can write it under one radical sign. And maybe that's something I can do here. Maybe let's just start with that. So first thing I'll do is I'll write one big cube root sign, and then I have a 2 times, and this is the commutative property or associative property, where I've got 2 times this times this times this. I'm just going to put my 2 times 4 up front here, and then I'll have an x plus 4 times an x plus 4 to the 4th. There. So I've got everything under 1. Now I take a look and hey, these are the same base, and so if I multiply, I can add exponents. So I'll have the cube root of, oh no, 2 times 4, I'll just put that as 8. 8 times x plus 4 to the 1 plus 4's 5th power. Okay, so I've simplified a little bit, but now a cube root says if I can get anything that's a cube underneath here, I can bring it out. So that's what I'm going to try and do with the 8 and with x plus 4 to the 5th. So 8, I do know that that's 2 cubed. So let me just separate these again. So this would be the cube root of 8 is the same thing as 2 cubed times cube root. And here again, this is x plus 4 to the 5th. I could rewrite that as x plus 4 to the 3rd times x plus 4 to the 2nd. Because 3 plus 2 gives me the 5. But the reason why I put a 3 one there is because I have a cube root there. Again, I could separate those. This one, let me just figure out cube, and this is cube root, and cube, those cancel. So from that first thing, all I have is a 2. No more cube root. This one, let me separate, so it could be the cube root of x plus 4 to the cubed times the cube root of x plus 4 squared. Cube root, cancel. So I'd have 2 times x plus 4, right? Because this cancels this. So it would just be x plus 4. And then this one, I can't get that a cube because the number's too low. So I'm stuck with that. So it'd be cube root of x plus 4 squared. So that's probably where I'd finish the question. I guess you could do a few things like multiply the 2 through. So you could get 2x plus 8. And maybe you could rewrite that as a fractional exponent. You could leave it like this, or you could write it as x plus 4 to the index always goes on the bottom. So that would be 2/3. So you could write it like that as well, although this one here would work 100% too. Okay, hopefully that gives you help on that question.